Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I want to reflect briefly on a powerful question that Allah asks us in Surah Al-Infitor biqawlihi ta'ala, Ya ayyuhal insan, ma gharraka bi rabbikal karim. O mankind, what has deceived you concerning your Lord, the most generous? This verse is not just a question, it is a wake-up call from our Creator. In this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking us, O mankind, what has made you so careless about your Lord, and what has made you forget your responsibilities, forget yourself, and the one who has created you, nurtured you, and blessed you with everything? Think for a moment. Who gave a life when we were nothing, and who gave us eyes to see, and who gave us a mind to think, and who gave us a heart to feel? Absolutely Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So let us not be deceived by this word, and let us not be ungrateful to the one who created us and blessed us with everything. And let this verse remind us to return to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.